Hi, Kimberly Chandler here with the Elite Home Sales team at RE/MAX Professionals. Super excited to share this new listing that we have at 9689 South Hackberry Street, located in Highlands Ranch. This beautiful home is 4 bedrooms, 4 baths with a finished basement. The open floor plan is something really to check out. Let's go see. As you can see, this property is absolutely gorgeous. It's not going to last long with the spacious backyard and the 4 bedrooms. If you'd like to set up a private showing, give me a call on the information below.